Okay, it's June 28th, 8:50 p.m. Markets are closed. We're going to look back on the day. Take a look at the SSO ticker. It is a ETF for the SPY. It's 2 times a bull ETF. And the point is that to show that there is a market out there that works with our system. Here it is. It's you're looking at the 5-minute chart, ticker SSO. And let's look at when we had all 4 criteria in place, which are the 4 items you see here. Time of day was 11:30. Very important to note that, the importance of that. There is a minimum of 10 bars in this pattern here that's coming down. Before we look for a change, we want to see a substantial pattern. 10 bars, 5 minutes, that's close to an hour minimum. This one has more, it's 15 bars. It's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This last bottom bar actually penetrated that 118.10 line. It was the low bar for the period, and then off it went. So there you have 15 bars, a nice well-defined trend line. There's no disagreement with the MACD. We've talked about that, meaning it doesn't have to be perfect, but it's not disagreeing. This histogram at 115 changed, as you see, from these tall bars, and they started becoming smaller and smaller and eventually turned positive above the 0 line. And that happened 130, 140, probably 140. That first positive histogram came in. But we don't need that. We just need the histogram coming into our favor. And that means that these 2 moving averages down here, they're converging, thus MACD moving average, convergence, divergence. These are converging, and that puts us on the right side of the MACD equation. The last item, number 4, market structure with a trend line break. Market structure means a final lower low and then higher highs. This market doesn't make beautiful structural highs and lows, but it very definitely broke the trend line. It tried once, 115, a little early, and if you notice, it had this helping hand with the volume. If you're into volume, you had a little push right here, so it moved it up, and then, as often the market does, one more push down, just slightly broke the 118.10 line, and then off it went, gapped up. And that's a moving average line I left in there. It's a 10 moving average. You can use a 9, 10, 11. It's just a nice helping hand that shows you, yeah, you're on the right side of the moving average. And it turned flat, down, down, flat, and then up. Everything's pointing up. You got a moving volume. You broke your trend line. Your MACD's working. And your time of day is absolutely spot on, 1:30. So there you have it. You caught the low of the day, and it went off. Depending on how you arrange your stops, you had a very easy time trading this trailing bar, trailing pivot, whatever you like. It worked out just fine for you. All right, that's it for tonight. Good luck.